Hey everybody, my name is Raheem. I'm the president here at Texan Insurance. Just wanted to give you a little bit more information about how to apply for FEMA assistance. A lot of our clients have been asking us about this, and we wanted to make sure everyone knew exactly what they needed to do to make this process as easy as possible. We know these are stressful times for so many people. We've heard so many stories from our clients and obviously our friends and family that have been impacted by this storm. And we just wanted to just give you a brief understanding of how you go about applying for FEMA assistance if you're unaware of how to do it. So let me give you a little bit of background on FEMA assistance as well. So who's actually eligible for FEMA assistance? Anyone that owns a home, anyone that rents, or is a student. And the great thing is that it's actually not based on how much income you make. Anyone that is, the aid is actually based on the damages you've sustained. So if you've lost your home and you make a certain amount of money or a good amount of money, but you have no ability to get back on your feet at the current time, you're still eligible to receive some sort of benefits. So that's a big misconception that's out there about FEMA. They will help you regardless of the amount of income you make. It's really dependent on your individual circumstances. The other requirement is that one member of your household must be a U.S. citizen. So, and it doesn't have to be an adult, it could be a child. So anyone who's got a U.S. citizen in their household would be eligible for assistance through FEMA. So who's not eligible? Anyone who's getting assistance from a flood insurance carrier. So if you have a flood insurance policy, you wouldn't be eligible to receive duplicate benefits, but there are things that the flood insurance policy does not cover. So for those things, you are still able to obtain assistance through FEMA. If you own a business property, unfortunately FEMA assistance is not available to you. If you have a secondary home, FEMA assistance would not be available to you as well. So the next question is what type of assistance is really provided? They do a lot of different things, so really it's dependent on your specific situation, but the first thing is housing needs. So if you're looking for temporary housing because your home is unlivable, they will provide you that type of assistance. If they are unable to provide you housing and you need to stay at a hotel, they can provide you reimbursement for staying at a hotel. If you need to rebuild your home or repair your home, they provide financial assistance for that. If you actually have to replace your home, that is something else that they would provide assistance for. Again, it's all dependent on your unique situation. So they will review your case and then review your home, actually go out and do an inspection, and then begin the process of deciding how much assistance they would provide you. The other thing that they will provide assistance for, obviously the more immediate need, is for necessary expenses and serious needs like childcare, medical and dental expenses, household items, things to get your children back to school. So that's something else that they would provide assistance for. And the real question that a lot of people ask is how much assistance does each person receive? Like I said, they don't have a set number. There isn't a maximum or a minimum. They're going to look at your individual needs and then make a decision based on that. And say, for instance, they are not able to provide you as much assistance as you need, they do work with the Small Business Administration, or the SBA, to provide low-interest loans. Another type of assistance that they do provide, say for instance, your place of work has been shut down because of the storm. They will actually provide unemployment payments for up to 26 weeks. So now the real question is how do you apply? What do you do? First thing I would do is go to www.disasterassistance.gov and apply there. You'll need some information to make your claim. You'll need your social security number. If you have a homeowner's insurance policy, they want you to go ahead and file your claim with the home insurance company and get a claim number. So they'll want a claim number for that. And if you agree with your home insurance company and tell them, hey, I don't have flood insurance, I'm aware of that, you'll get a denial letter a lot faster, and that'll speed up your process with FEMA. So go ahead and agree to, I mean, if you know you don't have flood insurance, let your home insurance company know that so that they can get you a denial letter as quickly as possible. You'll obviously need to, in that application process, you'll need to put in your household income. You'll need to document the damages you've sustained. So I would recommend you take pictures before you start your cleanup process so you have that information and you can write it out all together. The other thing, you want to put in your contact information and your direct deposit information so that the money goes immediately into your bank account. So I hope that answers a lot of your questions about how to apply for FEMA assistance. We've actually also written a blog with further information. So check out the link to the blog and hopefully that'll give you some better answers about how to go about the application process. And again, if you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to anyone here at the office. They have a lot more information available. Again, FEMA is not the only place you can go get assistance. There are other avenues. You know, we know there are multiple organizations that are providing assistance, but I just wanted to make you aware of one, which is FEMA, which everyone has been talking about. Again, we're keeping you all in our thoughts and prayers. We know we're all in this together, so anything else we can do to help, just let us know. Thank you.